Annyeong, so DJI Mini 3. Now we have all the leaks, photos, videos out, and we are probably expecting this DJI Mini 3 well before the summer in a few weeks' time. The very first DJI Mini 3 leak video published by Dill's Drone Twitter. So from the video, we can see that what we had previously seen in the leaked box picture, Mini 3 Pro, looked like a correct product. It's not a joke. It also seems like there may be DJI Mini 3 as well as DJI Mini 3 Pro. Next, what is most obvious about this new drone is that there are obstacle avoidance system. The ground sensor as usual, however we now have the front as well as the backward sensor, but everything still weighing under 250 grams as per the usual mini series drone. And if you look into the detail of the battery, can you see that it says government.in as in for India? So it seems like the products already have been shipped to different countries in the world for an imminent launch. And with more sensors and possibly more flight time, because that's what happens with newer drones, you would need more juice. So the new battery comes with 2453 mAh, a very strange number, but it is more than the previous Mini 2, which was at 2250 mAh. And the gimbal design looks very different from the predecessor. One commentary from The Verge, it says that maybe this redesigned 3-axis gimbal that's placed off to one side, it may potentially allow users to shoot vertical videos suitable for posting on social platforms. That would be something if that's really the case. And the camera is E24 f1.7. Mini 2 used to have f2.8, so maybe Mini 3 would perform better in the low light condition. E24, it probably means that it seems to have the same 24mm focal length as with Mini 2. So that's all I know on the leaks and rumors pictures of DJI Mini 3 so far. I'm sure we'll be hearing more. So if you want to hear more, then please subscribe and like the video, and see you!